Record. हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू सागर शर्मा क्लासेस। आज हम आपके लिए इस सेशन में लेके आए हैं बेसिक्स ऑफ अकाउंटिंग। तो बेसिकली इस सेशन में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जो भी अकाउंटिंग के बेसिक्स हैं। जो फर्स्ट टाइम अगर कोई अकाउंटिंग पढ़ना चाहता है तो उसको कहाँ से स्टार्ट करना चाहिए वो हम इस वीडियो में बताएंगे। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कर लें। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं, बिल्कुल सिंपल लैंग्वेज में समझाएंगे। जैसे कि फर्स्ट टाइम कोई अकाउंट अगर पढ़ना चाह रहा है तो उसके लिए हमारे पास कोई भी बिजनेस है, ठीक है। अकाउंटिंग में जो भी ट्रांजेक्शन्स रिकॉर्ड किए जाते हैं वो किसी भी बिजनेस के किए जाते हैं। तो मान लीजिए एक बिजनेस होता है और दूसरा पर्सन उस बिजनेस का ओनर होता है। देयर आर टू पार्टीज। सो जब भी हम ट्रांजेक्शन्स रिकॉर्ड करते हैं इन द अकाउंटिंग, दिस इज फॉर द बिजनेस, नॉट फॉर द ओनर। फर्स्ट थिंग, always remember whenever you are doing the accounting transactions, always remember we will record the transactions in the book of business, not in the books of owner. Owner and business are both are different, because in the accounting there is a concept, separate entity concept. What that concept says, that the business and the owner are the different persons. We will record only the transactions of business. Now go to the accounting. What is basically accounting? So accounting is generally we define as a recording and the classifying and summarizing all the business transactions. So basically first step in the accounting, we will do the recording. Recording of what? Recording of all the business transactions. Whenever you are doing the business transactions, like the first transaction in every business is capital, business started with cash, because first time you will invest the capital. So this is your first transactions. Business started with cash. This is your first transactions in every business. And you can also start the business with the some assets, like, okay. So you can also add business started with furniture, gas, like this. After that, these transactions are recorded in the book of original entry. First original book of entry is journal. We always record all the transactions in the journal. After that, we will classify these recorded transactions in the form of ledger. Okay. After ledger, we will go to the trial balance. And at the last, we will summarize. These classified transactions in the form of final account. Final accounts includes two accounts basically. First one is profit and loss account, and second one is balance sheet. So this is shortly I have told you what we will do in the accounting. Firstly, you have to remember, firstly we will do the recording of all the transactions, and the main book of original entry for recording the transactions is journal. After that, we will classify these recorded transactions in the ledger or trial balance form, and after that we will summarize into the final account. Whatever the trial balance is given, we will summarize those in the trial balance in the form of profit and loss account or balance sheet. Now, most important thing in the accounting is types of account. If you don't know the types of account, then you cannot understand the accounting. So in simply language, I will tell you types of account. So there are mainly three types of account. First one is personal account. Personal accounts, first one. After that, second one is real account. And third one is nominal account. Now see, in the personal account there are two types of personal account. First one is artificial personal and representative personal account. So in the artificial personal account, all the names of persons like Ram, Shyam, and the capital account is also personal account. Drawings account is also personal account, and name of any person, Ram, Shyam, Seema, okay, and name of any business enterprises is included in personal account. And in the representative personal account, all the outstanding, prepaid expenses, accrued incomes, okay, prepaid expenses, like this. So outstanding salary is a representative personal account. Okay, so prepaid rent is a representative personal account. So outstanding, prepaid, like this. Now we will come to the real account. In the real account, we will include all the assets and liabilities. All assets and liabilities will fall under real account. Basically, in the assets, there are two types: tangible assets, which can be seen and touched, like furniture, machinery. And on the other hand, we have also intangible assets. So intangible assets like goodwill, okay, trademark, patent, copyrights. These are also the assets. So these come under the real account. And in the nominal account, we will cover expenses, losses, and income and gains. Okay, income and gains. So basically, in the short, you have to remember there are three types of account: personal, real, and nominal. And in the personal, there are representative personal and artificial personal. And real, we will include assets and liabilities. Now, remember what are the rules for the journal entries for the personal account. For the personal account, what is the rule for the journal entry? Debit the receiver, debit the receiver, and credit the giver. Note it: debit the receiver, credit the giver. So what is that actually mean? Just take an example. First, we will take for a business. Okay, we will take example for a business. Paid 500 to Shyam. Okay. So Shyam is the receiver here. So we will make an entry: Shyam debit 500 to, we have paid the cash na. So cash account basically. So it is come 500. Cash or bank, we can write it cash or bank now. So basically I have to understand this. Shyam is here receiver. So whoever received the money will be debited. Okay, and just do the reverse. Received 500 from Ram. So what we have received? Cash. So cash account debit, and from whom? To Ram. So credit the giver. So I think you have understood first rule: debit the receiver, credit the giver. Now come to second one. What is the rule for the real account? So real account rule says debit what comes in, debit what comes in, and we have to credit what goes out. Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Now take an example like furniture purchased. So furniture purchased, furniture will debit because furniture will come in business. So furniture account debit. And I have already told you in the real account, we will deals with the assets and liabilities. So furniture account debit to cash account, cash or bank, whatever. And last one is nominal account. In the nominal account, we will deal the expenses and losses and incomes and gains. So what is the rule of the nominal account? Debit all the expenses and losses, debit all the expenses and losses, and we have to credit all incomes and gains, all incomes and gains. Now take an example of nominal account: salary paid. So salary is your expense na for business. So salary account debit. What will be the journal entry? Salary account debit, and to cash or bank account. To cash or bank account. Now we will take an example of income or gain also. So now see, rent received. So, okay, as a business, you have received the rent. So cash or bank account debit, cash or bank account debit to rent account. So I think you understood all the three accounts and rules of recording the journal entry. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section of video. Thank you.